What's up everyone? Today we're going to show you the new bedtime routine part 2. And this is all about calming your body and tension before you sleep. And stay tuned because I'm about to show you the missing link between your body and going to a very more calmer parasympathetic system so you can go to sleep fast. This truly is an insomniac's dream, so let's start. First things first, this is the key right here. All you need is a towel. You're going to take a towel and we're going to do it. We're going to fold it half, then we fold it in half again. I'm going to show you how to engage in belly breathing, which is going to calm your body and your parasympathetic system, and it's going to send you right to sleep. Okay, so we're going to start our routine with doing this. We're going to ball the towel up into kind of about this width. Again, we're going to be placing it on the belly button, okay? This routine and what I'm going to show you is going to help your body to relax. It's very simple. So we place it upon the belly button and we can go like this, or we can go like this. Entirely up to you. But let's start like this. So what we're going to do some nose breathing. We're going to breathe through the nose, fill the belly through air, and we're going to exhale, sinking down into the towel. Again, and exhale. Again, this is going to help your body to go into, get out of that fight or flight mode that it's in right now. This is the reason why you're not sleeping. Mine is constantly going like, because I mean, that's what it does. So this is going to help to relax the body, relax the mind, and help you to ease into sleep a lot easier and faster. So we're going to continue to breathe in and out through the nose, sinking down into the towel. I like to do this anywhere from 1 to 3 minutes, no more than that. It's going to help you to engage in belly breathing. So as we end this, you're going to feel you're going to start breathing from your core, your belly, and not your chest. Chest breathing means stress. Belly breathing means relaxation. Remember that. So this is how we have to start this bedtime stretch routine to get you nice and calm so you can go to sleep. Okay, as we do this, you might start to feel like a heartbeat in your stomach. Don't worry about that. That's your aorta. It's just pumping blood into the body. So again, it's going to help to nourish your organs and also, like I said, to calm. Just think of calming. Okay, let's do this for about 15 more seconds and then we'll start our routine. Sinking down into the towel. This is also good if you have any kind of lower back pain. This is a game changer for that as well. Okay, perfect. So we just finished that routine. We're engaged in belly breathing. Now let's go ahead and start with some cat and camel. We can go into all fours. We're going to arch the back up. And then we're going to extend up, stretching out that back body. This is very important, especially if you've been sitting all day. Those muscles are just cramped. There's no circulation in there. No wonder you're not getting any sleep. In this routine, we're going to try to breathe in and out through our nose. So I want you to join me on this, okay? Just follow along. Okay, turn that brain off. We'll see how high we can get. Really stretching in between those shoulder blades because those are tight, tight, tight. And remember, in this routine, we're going to do all these movements very slow. Very good. All right. Wow, that was a good stretch. From here, I want you to go ahead and stretch your adductors, okay? We're gonna bring the leg out just like this. And if you need a nice little cushion, you can use the towel to place here on your knee or whatever, you can roll your mat up. So here we're just gonna go ahead and just do some pumps going backwards. As you know, our adductors are very tight, affects our lower back. Our glutes have no circulation because we've been sitting on them all day. So this is a great routine to kind of open everything up. See, I'm gonna start by taking my toe up. This is gonna kind of give me a bigger stretch, okay? So just keep going back and forth, again, breathing through the nose. All right, and let me show you from the side. We're gonna go, there we go, just going back. Again, if you need something to support your knee, that's totally fine. And you're gonna feel a huge stretch here in your adductors, even on the inside of the leg, just basically the inside of the legs, which totally need this kind of stretch. Okay, perfect. Let's go ahead and switch. So we're gonna go to the other side. Again, bringing my leg out, and I am pushing back. See my toes down, my foot is flat on the ground. You can do that, or you can have your toe into the ground. Depends on how comfortable you are and also your mobility. But this is also always a missing link for people. And I've seen so many stretch routines on YouTube. I mean, there's thousands of them. This is the one stretch that is just missing from so many of those stretching routines. We really forget to stretch here in the adductors. Okay, as we breathe in and out through the nose, we're just gonna do a few more. Perfect. All right, great. Okay, let's come onto our knees. This is a great position just to get everything nice and stretched out. And we're gonna stretch our quads. So once you place your hands behind your back, and you're gonna squeeze your glutes up, you're gonna feel that nice stretch on the quads. I'm telling you, this is the absolute best, especially if you're an active person. Most sports and activity is very quad dominant, so you really want to stretch those out, and that's going to help you to prevent any kind of lower back pain. And then we go down. I'm going to show you from the side. We're sitting on our knees, on our heels. We're going back. We're squeezing up. Again, you're going to get a nice stretch here in the quads, and also a nice stretch going on in the chest, because we're so forward rolled, from being on devices and from computers all day. So this is absolutely fantastic right now. And I like to hold that for maybe 20 seconds. Okay, let's go ahead, squeezing the glutes up. Breathing in and out through the nose. Fantastic, good. All right, and now let's go ahead and just bring the legs forward into your basic runner stretch. Okay, where I see most people do this runner stretch, they're always like hunched over like this. That's not how a runner stretch goes. You're actually not really getting that mobility that you need. It's all about keeping your back flat, and then you're just coming out just a little bit, okay? Even if it's right here, that's fine. You're gonna feel a huge stretch in your entire back body. You're gonna feel this one everywhere. And the key to this one, I like to point my toes to the nose and then just stretching forward, okay? Very good. This is one of my favorite ones. Basic stretch. And again, if you can't get your legs up, your knees may be up like this, that's totally fine too. Keep those knees up there. I mean, like I said, stretching is all about, there's an end goal, okay? You can't rush to it. Mobility is something that, we're constantly working on, because we put ourselves in these kind of tight positions all day. So we want to really make sure that we're stretching our muscles and our joints and tendons and ligaments. We're stretching them out the correct way, because we injure ourselves if we don't. So I'm going to show you that correct way. Again, this bedtime stretch routine is fantastic. If you've been sitting all day, if you're kind of like, that active desk worker who's always out there at the gym and on the field, in the boxing ring, wherever it may be, you guys really need a different kind of stretch routine. Okay, see, I've been stretching a while, so I'm able to go ahead and touch my toes. You may be able to go a little bit further. Again, I want you to avoid this. I don't want to see this. I want to see more of this. Perfect. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to go into a butterfly stretch. We're going to bring our feet together. We're going to lay back just like this, okay? And just open up. Perfect. I'll show you from the sides. Just open up. Perfect. We can even add a little pressure in there. Press against your hands, just with a little bit of pressure. And then open up. This is going to get you to go ahead and to just open those legs up wider. And just hold it there. Just put your hands to the side, whatever you like. And again, you can tuck the pelvis in, laying the back flat. You're going to get an even bigger stretch. All right, you can just open your arms up. and just really breathe. You know, bedtime stretch routines are so important. You know, we're so stressed. We're dealing with so much every single day. We need to take that time to decompress, okay? This is all about reducing tension and stress in your body so you can easily go to sleep. So just lay there, breathing in and out through the nose. We're engaging in that belly breathing from the towel. I'm telling you, do that towel breathing. You can do it every single day. It is only going to do is help you, okay? Engaging in belly breathing means you're less stressed. Okay, and then we're going to roll over onto our side, and we're going to come on up. All right, I hope you like that bedtime stretch routine part 2. This is all about getting tension and stress out of the body so you can fall asleep easily and naturally. And if you're looking for more stretch routines such as this one, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. This is everyone's favorite health coach, Mike Jones, signing out. Have a pain-free day.